Hello, I'm Kevin from CryptoMY. In today's episode, I'm going to recommend you the best leading crypto exchange platform right now called BingX. So let's stay tuned. So why BingX? Okay, let me tell you a little bit history. I actually promoted BingX before. It called Bing Bond. So they actually rename and rebrand themselves called BingX. Why? I don't know. But I know that BingX, right? It has one of the most unique features that is better than other exchanges, which is, first of all, I want to say the convenience and the target audience is wide. What do I mean by target audience is wide? Is they target people that are good in trading, expert in trading. They are also targeting people, users that are not good at trading or basically have no knowledge in crypto trading. So if you are somebody who just want to start crypto journey and want to start crypto journey, crypto trading, not journey, then I would suggest you to look at BingX. So you can download it, you can go to the website and register an account. How you want to register, I'll put down the link at the description below so you guys can use my referral link and register an account to get more benefit out of it. Okay, so once you have registered, feel free to download the app, open up the app, and I'll show you why is it so convenient for all the traders lah. I'm not say new traders or old traders, right? So if you look at the app, right, you were able to see the interface is super easy to use. This is the first thing. Second thing is whatever you want here, deposit, grid trading, copy trade, new user reward, buy crypto, everything you want is just a click of the button. It's easy, correct? They make it the interface so easy as ABC. Of course, there is a market there where you can see all the coins that they have in their platform. Super a lot. You can see that super a lot. And one thing that I like here is they have something called in the metaverse infrastructure, fan token, the stable coin. If I'm not mistaken, they actually have something to do with Forex. There is Forex pairing, which is pound versus Japanese yen, pound versus US dollar. They even have indexes. If you want to trade stocks, you can always do it in this platform, which is something unique. This is the first point. Second point is, which is the copy trading function, which I love the most in BingX. So I'm going to show you. So the moment you click on this, right, you were able to see number of traders here that you can go and copycat. Okay, copy is not always a bad choice, to be honest. And when I'm lazy, when I don't feel like trading, I don't feel like looking at chart, or a beginner like someone like you wants to know, wants to earn some pocket money, don't want to know lah, wants to earn some pocket money, just follow all these sifu lah, or all these expert people, traders. So for example, if you look at it, rarely it has a 300% 30 days ROI. If you think that it makes sense to you, go ahead and click the copy button. But if you want to know more about him before even clicking on the copy, you can see it trading data, how much he's earning, account asset, the ROI, the weekly report, profit, risk assessment, top traded, so on and so forth. You can go and see even any position he's opening right now. You can also go and see. Not just that, you can see who is copying this guy. And if you like this guy, just click the copy button. For example, I like this this Chinese name, 5,000 over people copied. You see the top one, Tam. Somebody actually 220 over 1,000 people copying this guy. Probably is the best guy ever lah. But I want to copy the lower guy. If you can see here, I just click the word copy. And depends. Okay, for example, I have USDT, so margin maybe I'm gonna set a bit here and there. When a trader opens a trade, estimated principal of your order is $2. I make it $10. For the sake of showing you guys how it works. And even you can set your own take profit and stop loss if you want. Copy the order of this trader will be set with a SL ratio according to the value. If you don't want to set, go ahead, it's fine. If you want to set, just I will probably set 50-50 or probably 100-100. If you stop loss, I stop loss. This makes sense. And if you want to put more advanced settings like daily copy, trading principle, maximum position margins, up to you. So if you don't know how to set, right, just forget about it. Just remove the advanced options and just click copy now. Simple. So right now you can see waiting for the traders to open position. Simple, right? Sometimes why you want to make yourself so burdened when you can just click a button, click copy, and wait for the Sifu or the experts to trade for you, right? So there is one thing that I want to talk about. When we talk about centralized exchange, people are quite sensitive right now because of the FTX exchange platform. A lot of problem, right? A lot of problem with that, and you see now people are distrustful about centralized exchange. People want to go on decentralized. I don't know lah, huh? But to prove how trustworthy is this exchange, I'm gonna show you. Wait, I'm gonna show you here. If you look at here, BingX announced it verified proof of reserve with Mazar. So they actually show out their financial report to everybody, to the public, and they use one of the leading international audit tax and advisory firm to showcase their financial report. So how you want to see their financial report? Simple, just go all the way down all the way down, and you were able to see 100% proof of reserve under the company here. So once done, you were able to see this tab. So they were gonna release their financial report every single week. How much they have, how much they reserve, so on and so forth. This is something that I want to say, right? Something that I'm proud of lah. A company, big exchanges like them are showing their financial report that will give you a confidence to ensure that they are not using our funds misappropriately. So go ahead and test it out. And I think that's all for today's episode. If you like my episode today, remember to click like, share, and subscribe. Alright? And I'm gonna see you guys soon. And